Hi, I'm Phil Clay, and I work for Hearth & Home Technologies in our Consumer Care Division. We're here today to help you find the rating plate on your appliance. This will show you the model and serial number, which is important if you need service, parts, or just more information about your appliance. Your dealer or other service provider will want this information, and they will ask you for it, so we want you to be able to find it. To find your model and serial number, this is what you're looking for, the rating plate. This is on all of our appliances. It's located in slightly different areas, and we'll show you where to look on the different appliances in just a moment. The model number or model name is going to be found in this section, and the serial number is in this section. In this rating plate, the serial number is a barcode, and you can easily see the black on white printing. In some rating plates, it is just the stamped number you see above here. Here we have a gas fireplace. On all of our gas fireplaces, there will be a decorative front that you'll either have to open or remove in order to access the controls area, which is where the rating plate is located. In this unit, it has operable doors which simply open, and then a vanity panel that you easily remove and set aside. The rating plate is located in the bottom component area of the fireplace. As you can see, the model and serial number are easily available with the use of a common household flashlight. Here we have an insert with a full decorative front that we need to lift off in order to gain access to our controls area. Our vanity panel is located right here. We set that aside. Our rating plate is located right at the front. Here we have an example of a stove installed very close to a wall. All of our stoves, like this wood burning unit or any other fuel, will have the rating plate located on the back of the appliance. The easy trick is to use a smartphone or something that takes a picture and to set it up with your camera to simply see the rating plate for you. You can see here we have a picture of the serial number on our phone, ready for use. Now that we've found the model and serial number of our appliance, we can visit heatilator.com to find out more information or to locate a local dealer.